I want to look now at something called port fast. Looking again at our diagram that we used for the BPDU guard, we have the same scenario, and we have the bad guy over here who pretends to be a switch. Now, I may not want to shut down these ports if a BPDU comes in on them. I may just want to ignore all BPDUs. So what I can use is port fast, which also serves another purpose in that if all BPDUs are ignored, then convergence will be faster. We don't need convergence on these ports where this PC is plugged in because it doesn't need to participate in STP. All right, let's take a look then at port fast and what it does. Again, we're going to put it on interfaces, most likely interfaces that are going to be connected to end devices. So the command is spanning tree port fast, and it simply tells an interface to ignore all BPDUs. It does not shut the interface down if a BPDU is seen, but it simply ignores them and does not participate in spanning tree. So now here we are on this network, and we have 3 switches participating in STP, and I've got a PC over here plugged into port F03. I'm going to put port fast on F03. So I'm in F03 right now, and I will type spanning tree port fast, and that's the command. So I'll click enter, and now I have some stuff that came up. Warning, port fast should only be enabled on ports connected to a single host. Connecting hubs, concentrators, switches, bridges, etc. to this interface when port fast is enabled can cause temporary bridging loops. Port fast has been configured on F03 but will only have effect when the interface is in a non-trunking mode. Well, now if this is right now in a dynamic mode, it will sense whether it's an end device or a switch. And if it's a switch, it'll try to put it into trunking mode. So if I'm concerned about the bad guy trying to become a switch, then I also want port fast on this port in case this looks like a switch. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to spanning tree, port fast, and now I'm going to type the question mark, and you'll see that I have 2 options here, disable and trunk. With trunk, it enables port fast on the interface even in trunk mode. So I'm going to go ahead and go trunk. And now I get that warning again that this could cause loops if a switch is plugged into that. So if this now became a switch, then it would ignore all BPDUs going across this link. And so this switch could not participate in STP.